The biting November wind howled around Detective Inspector Mallory's ears as he surveyed the scene. The skeletal remains lay sprawled on the icy floor of the abandoned observatory, moonlight filtering through the shattered dome. A classic, almost cliché setting for a murder, he thought grimly. Cause of death? He asked, his breath misting in the frigid air. Undetermined, sir, Sergeant Davies replied, shivering. No obvious trauma. Forensics are baffled. But look at this. Davies pointed to the victim's skull. Etched into the bone with unsettling precision were intricate constellations. The Big Dipper, Orion, Cassiopeia, all perfectly replicated. Strange, Mallory muttered, pulling out his notebook. The victim, identified as Dr. Alastair Finch, a renowned astrophysicist, had been working on a controversial new theory, something about connecting human consciousness to celestial bodies. The observatory was Finch's sanctuary. Locals whispered of strange experiments and late-night rituals. Mallory interviewed Finch's colleagues, each claiming the scientist was brilliant but eccentric. One mentioned Finch's obsession with an ancient text, the Codex Stellaris, said to contain secrets about the universe and humankind's place within it. Days turned into weeks. The constellation tattoos yielded no clues. The Codex Stellaris was nowhere to be found. Mallory was stumped. Then, a breakthrough. Forensics discovered traces of a rare luminescent fungus within the skull, only found at extreme altitudes in the Himalayas. Mallory raced to Finch's Himalayan research cabin. Inside, amidst scattered notes and astronomical charts, he found it, the Codex Stellaris. As he carefully turned the brittle pages, he recognized a diagram mirroring the constellations on Finch's skull. Underneath, a single, chilling sentence. The body is the key. Suddenly, Mallory understood. Finch hadn't been murdered. He'd been experimenting on himself, pushing the boundaries of his theory too far. The fungus, combined with the encoded constellations, had likely induced a fatal neurological event. Finch had essentially tried to map the universe onto his own brain, with catastrophic results. The wind howled again, a mournful sound that seemed to echo the vast, unknowable cosmos. Mallory closed the Codex Stellaris. Some secrets, he realized, were best left undisturbed, buried beneath the weight of the stars.